Hello everyone, welcome back, and now let's talk about CryptoPunks and other NFT use cases, not only CryptoPunks. There are many different, very interesting use cases out there. NFTs is allowing us to create digital virtual assets for fine art, for trading cards, for anything that you can imagine that is a digital scarce asset. But start by looking at CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks was actually created prior to CryptoKitties, and I know that we are going to be talking about like these games. They may look silly for some people. For other people, are not silly because people are paying actually quite a lot of money for these CryptoPunks and CryptoKitties in digital art. So it's not that silly, and you can also have real world assets being tokenized, but let's look first at these use cases that we have here. So CryptoPunks was really the first, I believe, the first NFT project created in 2017 using the ERC-71 standards. It was created by Larva Labs, and they created initially 10,000 unique collectible characters. They created these 10,000 of these punks that were distributed for free initially, and some of them are now traded for millions of dollars. Okay, so not that silly. If you look here, you have here the largest sales. This CryptoPunk here is worth more than $7 million. Okay, and this purple hat here is my favorite, but I don't think I have enough money to buy it because it's worth $761,000. Crazy, right? Okay, then we have CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties is another big hit, and some CryptoKitties are also being traded for close to $1 million. So I think we can search for CryptoKitties for sale, and you can buy and sell them, and you can breed these CryptoKitties, and each CryptoKitty has a different attribute. Now, CryptoKitties are way cheaper. You can buy like a CryptoKitty for a few US dollars. And I'm also thinking about buying some. Not financial advice, this is just a game for fun, of course, but it's also very interesting to see the different uses in games. Then you have Sorare, or Sorare, yeah, I think I'm spelling it correctly. It's basically a fantasy football game licensed by the football clubs, and each player represents an ERC-721 token. And you can buy these cards and collect them and play these cards. I'm not like a big fantasy football fan, but fantasy football is around in the market already for many years, and it's very interesting to see this coming also to the ERC-721 market and to the NFTs market. Then we have also, this website seems to be not to be working, but you have the Ethereum naming service and unstoppable domains, and basically these are domains that finish in .eth, and it can be used for different purposes. It can be used to receive crypto instead of having like that long string, that long hash. You can have a domain that is more intelligible to receive. Here you have to interact with the blockchain, and also you can host like, for example, a website, and they are sensor resistant and immutable, which is cool. Let me start closing some of these here. Gods Unchained. Gods Unchained is another cool card that allows users to trade cards represented by ERC-721 tokens. In 2009, players spent 87 billion. Wow, this is crazy. I don't know exactly how do you play this, but it's another cool game, I think, where you can use these tokens, these ERC-721 tokens. Then you have also very well known Decentraland. Decentraland is a virtual reality platform where the users can buy virtual land and monetize content in this virtual land, and this virtual land is also represented by ERC-721 tokens, NFTs. And then you have like a few small projects like Binance, these Binance collectibles. It was like a festive cards, and you can also buy and sell them. Some of these are now available on OpenSea in some of the marketplaces for NFTs. My Kryptons is also a fun one where you can like buy and sell like these like politic related cards, and you can buy and sell them, and yeah, basically, yeah, it's cool. Oh, I think I want to buy Melania Trump. 1.9 Ether. Okay. Anyway, then you have like Nifty Gateways. Nifty Gateway is a marketplace to buy and sell NFTs for brand creators and artists. We are going to look later at the different marketplaces, and we are going to look at other marketplaces like Super Rare and OpenSea. And finally, Lock Game, Legends of Crypto. Legends of Crypto, it allows users to also to collect unique cards and play with them, and collect and play these cards that are that represent people, very well-known people from the crypto market. Okay, hope you can see some use cases here. This is not far from being an exhaustive list. There are many other possible use cases, but at the moment, these are the ones that have the biggest hype in the market, and this is where like the big NFT hype is coming from.